The purpose of this recording is to explain how to install a new ExtendSim library block. So first thing we need to do is make sure that you have the ExtendSim library block downloaded to wherever your libraries are. Typically, this would be Documents, ExtendSim, Libraries, unless you went and changed the default location. So after you've downloaded your new block to this library, you're going to switch over to ExtendSim. In ExtendSim, you want to make sure that all the models are closed before you begin this process. We're going to open the library window, open the library menu, and then select Open Library. Then we're going to select the new library and click the Open button. Okay, now we're going to click on the block that we want to copy or that we want to install into the item library in this case. So we're going to copy this selected block. Then we're going to go over to the item library, which is where we want to replace the block, and then right click and then click Paste Selected Blocks. And then we're going to see a dialog that says, do you want to replace these blocks in the library? And we're going to click Yes. And then that completes the procedure. We have a new, in this case, executive block that is ready to use.